Topic: doing same things vs trying new things. I have to say that keep doing the same thing all the time is boring, and I certainly don't like being bored. In the real world, there are uncountable things for you to do, so why not try them when you still have the chance? There will be no future if no one tries new things no more. Human beings would not have gone this far without trying new things. Our ancestors had done so much in doing so, they made tools for hunting, created communication, languages, and introduced many other techniques that we are still using today. All of these were new to them, and they tried the new instead of doing the old. Without their hard trying, we would still eat raw meat even at this time. Some people may say, I don't like to try new things because sometimes they could be risky. I cannot deny that. However, there are nothing that never has a risk. You may get hurt even when you keep staying at the same spot. And when that happens, you are probably going to get more pain. The reason is simple. If you fail it in the domain that you are not familiar with, you may not get too depressed because you knew it was new to you, and you can gather some thoughts and then try it again. On the other hand, if you didn't do well in the area that you are good at, then there is a great chance that you would lose your confidence because it wasn't as good as you thought it would be. Thus, if you come to think of it, trying new things is not as bad as it sounds. Moreover, those risks hidden in the process of trying new things are often worth to take once you tried them out and got them right. The rewards you are about to get are often surprisingly good. Let's try new things. Legal and harmless is always good. Even if you failed or got hurt, as long as you are still okay, you have gained some experiences out of trying them. The whole world out there is for you to explore. Therefore, you should do so to make your life valuable. Concerning the topic, I prefer to try new things and take risks. When asked about the approaches to life, many people have the idea that change and new experiences bring us a meaningful life. However, others take the view that staying the same and not changing the usual habits is the better way of the life. In fact, both approaches have its advantages and disadvantages, which are listed as follows. Some people believe change and new experiences provide us a meaningful life because when we adapt to the change and new environments, we must face the difficulties and try our best to overcome them. This process not only builds our personality but also gives us an exciting and meaningful life. What's more, the change around us improves our spirit of adaptation and independence. They benefit us in competing for survival in the society. Let us suppose we always stay the same and don't change the environment. Then, if someday we have to step into another environment, how can we adapt to it? On the other hand, people who hold an opposite view consider that sticking to the usual habits is the better way to life. They point out that the longer you keep the same habits, the more adaptive you are and you may live comfortably. They point out that usual changes make you acquainted with nothing, and then it is impossible for you have to have a life. In order to see this point clearly, They give us a good example. If you change your environment every month, you have to always change your habits and customs. Then how can you live happily? As far as I'm concerned, the advantages of change carry more weight than those of staying the same because I need to improve my adaptation. Only in this way can I survive in this society. Without Christopher Columbus' global navigation 500 years ago, we can never know the existence of the American continent. Without the first brave men who tasted the poisonous low earths, which are called tomatoes today, we can never have the delicious tomato pea soup on our dinner table. And to a person without jumping into the water, he can never become an excellent swimmer. So when it comes to doing only what you are already do well or trying new things and taking risks, I appreciate more the latter one. While the idea of doing what you have already been good at is without advantages. Probably the most reasonable benefit of this behavior is that one can make sure to be successful and never lose pace. Success is important. For example, if you are an employee of a large competitive company, are you reluctant to drop every precious promotion opportunity to show your failure to your department manager? Or will you be tolerant to losing a job because of an unintentionally tiny error? The answer is possibly not. And doing the things one has already done well can also become a protection to a sensitive self-esteem. This may account for why a considerable number of people seldom speak a foreign language to the native speakers, nonetheless found. I reckon that trying new things has more advantages. First of all, there is no doubt that this is a sufficient way to perfect one a lot. It is just the failure that finds out where he is inadequate and not developing well. And it is also the experience of failure that teaches him where to avoid making the same mistakes as before. Second, a little forward step always leads to a meaningful, important discovery. In science, physicists insist on researching to explore the unknown mystery substance. Cosmos and chemists seek out new useful materials through the result of millions of thousands of chemistry experiments. To some extent, we can say that stop exploring, stop progressing. Although there may be tremendous risks and masses of difficulties waiting us on the exploring way, we can really not stop our forward step. Given the factors I have outlined, I believe that a person who is filled with the courage to try something he doesn't do well is more likely to overdo himself and enjoy a more and more colorful world. Doing something already done well is really easy for almost everyone. It's reasonable to choose this other than try new things and take risks. But for me, I firmly stick to do something I haven't done before, for these sorts of things can really prove my ability, give me more experiences, and make my life full of fun and excitement. First, choosing a different thing to do needs a person's courage. When we come to a completely new thing, Almost everyone will feel hard to start, which is common, but it strengthens our wills and determinations. In fact, the beginning of a task is a real challenge for everyone, and its importance may directly bring about the result. At this very moment, courage is the thing we really need, but it is also the thing we don't always possess. To conquer the difficulties along with the risks will certainly bring you courage and pride that you never had before. Second, the things you have already done successfully are of less interest and excitement than that of the new thing. Here's a simple example: getting the right answer of 1 plus 1 compared to working out an untaught new math problem, which means more to you. Definitely, it is the latter, or you may rather stay at a certain level without trying to achieve any higher end being outstanding. Lastly, to the human being standing at the side of the society's evolution, the whole world needs new things to be invented, new areas to be explored, new ways to be tried out, and all these are the right things to make progress and build a better tomorrow. I choose to try new things and I will continue to make my new days in the future.